Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel Photomath subscription. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your settings option. So once you tap it on, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now all you need to do is simply tap on your Apple ID, which is located on the top of the screen. So once you tap on your Apple ID, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So now all you need to do is simply tap on the subscription option right below the payment and shipping. So once you tap on the subscription, you will be redirected to a different interface, which basically looks like this. So once you are here, all your active subscriptions are here. So if you have any subscription of Photomath, it will be right here. You need to simply tap on the cancel option right besides the subscription's name, and you will be able to cancel your Photomath subscription. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and we will be back again really soon.